something bothers me about, if you do I don't know if you're on parole or you do a crime or something happens.
Look at this guy.
And then you go to jail.
I can't even stay in his lane.
And I'm fans of all that music. I don't want to single anyone out, but I just know that there's quite a few. I mean, who's got...
Up again. Can't stay in their lane. Again.
If you're in the beginning or the middle or the end of your career, you gotta be true to yourself on what do I need to do to get ahead or to improve or to enjoy or whatever it might be. And some people have a tendency, just because you've been in a game 20 years. And I hated everybody, man, men and women, that are being discriminated
Nobody is
against.
able to maintain their lane.
It's just not working hard enough, man.
I don't understand what the problem is. It's too hard to keep the car straight. Oh, drifting again.